Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Glad y'all can join me again. Guess what just came in the mail? From AES Wave. The Uscope basic kit. This is just a mini review. Actually, I had it for a while because you can tell by the package it's kind of dirty. But I just decided to do a review on it, pretend like it's new, and open it for the first time. I'm not actually opening it for the first time. But let's pretend like we open it for the first time. So, you come in this dirty plastic bag. And you take it out the box. You get a little scope. Oh, ain't that cute. Ain't that cute. Come with alligator clips. That's it. A green and a black. It come with some pins. This goes here in the channel, and you got your leads. Let me get you a better view. You got your leads, which you can either use the alligator clips with or these pins. I also got they sent me the little tiny pins for back probing too. Haven't used them yet. This is for clamping onto wires also, where you can like clamp on that. And you got a banana plug jack, which that's like, this is a signal generator. So if you want to generate a signal, you can. And once you turn it on, you get one channel scope. This is an up and down button. You can change the scale. All right, what I just do? I put it on auto. Put on 1 volt. Then over here the voltage scale, right? And push this, I'm up to 14, 35, 70. Now, I ain't gonna go that high. I don't ever need to. I usually keep it at 14. I haven't really figured out how to use all the features yet. So, you get a bunch of different vertical, horizontal, trigger, cursor, and all other type of stuff, okay? So, I don't even know all the features, but let's go over to the car and let's see what we can do. The test car, the experimental car, is absolutely nothing wrong with this car. It's a 2000 Chevrolet Malibu. And it has, let's see how much. You see that? 355,769. You think it'll make it to 400,000? I think it will. But there's absolutely nothing wrong with this car. I just want to test the scope for my review. I'm gonna see what these patterns look like. So let me find something to hook up to. What should I do first? I got an idea. How about a TPS test? The TPS sweep. I can do that, man. Okay, 100 milliseconds. 500 milliseconds. I did that already, didn't I? Yeah, there we go. Now I see something. I'm gonna start to do real slow. Watch this. All right. Can't be perfect because I'm using my hand, but if this is all you got, this is all you got. Oh. Now, let's go back and try another time base with that 500 milliseconds. Okay, we going somewhere. Went off the scale, bring it back down. Okay, now I got the cam sensor back probe. Let's see what this waveform looks like. Got nice, well, I wouldn't say nice. The car runs and everything. But technically, yes. Let's see what this looks like. It won't stay on the screen for some reason. Let me see if I can adjust the time. Now it's off the screen. It's too big. Maybe I'll make it smaller. Okay. I gotta work with it. I gotta practice, get used to this. It's not the best of scopes. You only got one channel, but the wire won't stay on the screen. It's a nice signal, but keep moving around. There's a back to 14. I like that better, really. Why it won't stay on the screen? Somebody help me out. Drop a comment below. What's the best settings for this cam sensor? I can't keep it in the center. Okay, I think I got it. This is something you got to keep practicing with. I think I want to look at the mass airflow system. Okay, there you go. 1 minute. Okay, wait. Okay, there you go. Let's see what happens now, over there. That's pretty nice waveform. I like that. One more. Get them further apart. One more. Get them further apart. Maybe I should change over to the one. Make it a little bigger, like that. Okay, now I got it hooked up to the speaker. So let's look at some music. I can see music. Hey, I can see music. I hope I don't get no copyright strike for this. Can you hear it? No, you can see it. You can see it even better now. Look at that music playing. Can you tell what song that is? Guess the song. Now, how do I get this higher on the screen? That's what I know. If you know, you got familiarity with this Uscope, drop a comment. I need a better manual. I need some how to get it up. Okay. I want it in the middle of the screen. Okay, I think I got it. It's going up. Y'all see that music? Okay, that's where I want it, right in the middle of the screen. I had to go to position and then push the up button. Then I can move the 0 higher so I can see more. All right, I think I'm catching on. All right, the Uscope does not come with a manual in the box with the rest of the stuff. You have to go to their website and download the instructions and print them yourself, which I don't like. That's like why you can't make a manual. It would be more detailed. I would prefer that. So you got like a summary. You have to print all these pages, key features, specifications, your introduction, first time use. But what I don't like, walk around. It tells you what all the buttons are for and where they're located. It tells you here. It tells you here what's on your screen, so you know what you're looking at here and here on these pages. To me, it's kind of vague. Quick start how-to, basic menu navigation, but it just don't go in depth like I want to. Capture a waveform, it's just a few pages. And to me, I think it should be a manual that should be thicker. Main menu, which you have to read through, and it's kind of vague, because if anybody has a better manual or better instructions, I will appreciate that. They got their website on here. The website don't really teach you nothing. So 13 pages. You got to print yourself. And that's your Uscope. Out of 5 stars, I would give it Uscope 3. It's not the best. I would prefer to have something like a picoscope or maybe another live scope with 2 channels or 4 channels. But if that's all you can afford, it'll work for you if you don't use the scope a lot. Like I don't really use the scope a lot.